glorious weather today. I woke up, it was minus 9 degrees. Right now it's 15 degrees. I'm going to do a woods walk in my frozen swamp as I talk about what sold on eBay. Gonna watch my step. Watch my step. Watch out for that yellow snow. There we are. All right, that's the used to be a deer blind, now it's a tree house. I thought I'd give you guys something better to look at than my ugly face while I'm talking about what sold on eBay. We'll take a look here at the frozen swamp. So my name's Dave, Midwest Picker. We're going to talk about what sold on eBay. This is 20 items that sold in December, January. Some of them are BOLOs, some of them are just whatever. But it's good to know what sells so you don't waste your time and money buying something that isn't going to sell. I think the swamp looks kind of pretty in the wintertime. Alrighty. Frozen swamp talk. All of these items are shipping on top. I don't pay for shipping. First item is this portable pocket ashtray. It's a tiny little thing. It's kind of like brass. I had this for years and years and years kicking around in the office, and I decided to sell it. What the heck, I'll sell it. So I listed it on eBay. Sold for 10 bucks. People do collect. I think it's called tobacco ania. I can't pronounce it, but you know, the Joe Camel stuff, the tobacco stuff, it does sell really well. Next item, 6 Thompson little plates. It's not Thompson with a P, it's Thompson without a P. These 6 plates sold for $29.85. I do give volume discounts. I think that helps a lot. Yeah, that's Max. He just loves the cold. Volume discounts do help a lot. People will buy more and more because they're getting a good deal. Next item is this brooch. It's a gold tone. It's not precious metal. It's just rhinestones. Nothing too special. I love it when things that are cheap sell for good. Sold for $19.95. Next item is my personal item. If you're old enough to remember this, this is a Motorola Razr cell phone, vintagey. Came with a car charger. Watch a possum jump out of there while I'm recording. Wouldn't that be cool? Came with a car charger and a house charger, tested and working. It's my personal item. I did factory reset it. Anytime you sell electronics, if you can turn it on and take a picture of it working, that will help a ton. You can even make short videos if you wanted to. Took a best offer of 30 bucks. Next is a vintage 1954 model railroad owner's manual. This is in pretty poor condition, but it's still collectible. If you have old paper items, don't throw them away if they're really, really old. If they're old, somebody will pay for it, somebody will buy it. Sold for 9 bucks. Not a big deal. Next item is my personal item. It's a Ruger leather pistol holster. And if you didn't know, you can sell firearm accessories, slings, holsters, optics on eBay. You just obviously you can't sell ammo or actual firearms, but you can sell pieces and parts. So when in doubt, read the eBay rules. This sold for 32 bucks. Next is the Kokopili wooden statue. I even spelled it wrong in the title and it's still sold. This is an inexpensive item I got at Goodwill. I think I paid like $2 for it. Sold for $19.95. If you know, you know. Some of these things don't come with any information, no serial numbers, no names. You have to research it, but you know, using Google Lens, it's pretty easy to research it. Hey dog, what are you doing in the swamp? And if you think I'm going to walk out in that frozen swamp, you're wrong. I'm not going to. I'm too old. Next is this KFC fireplace log, and yes, it smells like fried chicken when you burn it. This is what's called speculating. This is a limited edition item, so I bought 3 of them. I thought once they were sold out and discontinued, it'd go up in value. It did not. I thought it would. These sat around for 2 years. Took a best offer of 15 bucks. Not too bad. Next up is a Longer Burger ceramic stone, new in box. Don't even remember where I got this thing from. Sold for $19.95. I gotta tell you, my hands are getting cold. Next item, remember the Maine. It was sunk outside of Cuba, I believe. I have to ask Harry Humstone. He's old enough to remember this incident. Cobalt blue glass candy dish. Remember the Maine. I think anything related to that subject will sell. Sold for $19.95. No, I'm sorry, $29.95. Next are these little blue Nico bowls. Interesting item. Sold for 15 bucks. Maybe we'll catch some birds out here. I can hear them. These are cool. 1977 Pepsi paper baseball fans with player information. Kind of like a baseball card. This one included Pete Rose, so that's a selling point. Pete Rose, by the way, does belong in the Hall of Fame, just saying. These are vintagey. Sold for 33 bucks. They're very fragile though, so if you ship these, make sure you sandwich them between two pieces of cardboard. If you're going to put it in a padded mailer, don't just toss them in there because the post office will beat the crap out of them. Next is this 2002 Polaris service manual. It's pretty good condition. Usually service manuals, parts manuals, Chilton books, they got greasy fingerprints all over them. The covers are torn. This one's not bad. Sold for 20 bucks. Hey, there's some wood. I didn't put that there. Wonder who did. Got some free lumber out there in the swamp. I didn't even know it was there. Next, Republican Party collector plate from 1954. Doesn't matter the party, I'll sell it. I bet you there's a little fox den under that wood there. I'm going to leave them alone. Sold for 25 bucks. Normally collector plates are hard to sell. This one sold pretty good. Got a tree down. It came down in the spring. Next is a Royal Dalton ceramic teapot. Sold for $29.95. Next is the item, I can't pronounce this right. I'm going to butcher the name. Is Sizzix, I believe. It's like a plastic template, maybe for a Cricut machine, for cutting out patterns. I'm not even sure, but this is anti-BOLO. I bought this 6 years ago. I don't even know where I sourced it. I don't know what I paid for it. I took a best offer of $15. Gone. Next item is my home run baby. 8 Villeroy and Bach pasta bowls. Volume discount. That's why the price is odd. $199.60. This is a true BOLO. Any ceramic or glass or anything you see that says Villeroy and Bach on the back is very collectible, even if it's newish. Just check it for damage. Cannot have any damage. These 4 vintage and Bach. My brain's frozen. It's 15 degrees Fahrenheit out here. These 4 Villeroy and Bach fruit bowls sold for $36. That was a best offer. Another Sizzix template. Different buyer. Took 6 years to sell the first one. The second one sold in a week. Very odd. 15 bucks. This last item is very nice. Very cool old Marine Corps button. Hard to date these things, so I don't even try. There are books out there that are very expensive that will pinpoint the date. All I know is it's old. $25. So that's the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed the frozen swamp walk. I'm not going to go out there. Maybe in the spring I'll go further out into the swamp. But if you like this format, instead of me sitting in my office looking at my ugly face, let me know. Put a comment down below. Let me know if you like these little walks. Please leave a like, subscribe if you haven't. Share this video with anybody you know that's a reseller that needs to know what BOLOs and good deals are. Anybody that likes chocolate labs eating their own turds, share this video with them. But I'll come out with another what sold video soon in a couple weeks. Till next time, see ya.